Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Sobhagya. In today's workout series, we will do crunches. Yes, these are the most effective ab exercise that you can do. Did you know this exercise works on your entire six-pack ab muscles? Absolutely. So, along with your six-pack ab muscles, it also works on your obliques and tightens your belly. But please keep your posture right. Do not put stress on your neck, which is really important. It is an intense workout. Do it properly. Friends, I hope you are doing at least 5 minutes of proper warm up before starting any exercise so that you do not injure yourself. That is really important. For faster results, follow a good diet plan. Please check the description box for the complete meal plan. And all you need is 7 minutes. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and remember, you can make a difference.